Hello, welcome to our Early Learning SF video tutorial channel. We hope you find our videos helpful as we will show you how to navigate the Early Learning SF website using a computer or a mobile phone. For this video tutorial topic, we will show you how to fill out an Early Learning SF application using your mobile phone. First, what you need to do is enter the Early Learning SF website by entering www.earlylearningsf.org. Please scroll down to where it says First Time Visitors, and you'll be screened to see if you're eligible to apply. Provide us your family size and your family income, then click Check. If you are eligible, please click Continue, and a message will appear for you to proceed and create an account. You can create an account by using an email or a cell phone number. Please complete the fields below by providing us your phone number, your first name, last name, and create a password. Please note that the password must be at least 8 to 16 characters and it must include upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Please confirm your password and then click Create Account. You now have access to the Early Learning SF application. Please complete the sections of the application. You will start with the parent info. Here, you would need to provide us your first name, your last name. Please indicate the language you prefer to be contacted, and then provide us your physical address. Please know if you're currently houseless, please click on the box where it says homeless, and that will indicate your housing situation. Please scroll down and let us know which contact method would be best to reach you. Please click All That Applies and provide us that information. If you wish to be contacted by email, please provide us your email. And/or if you wish to be contacted via phone, please provide us the best phone number to reach you. Please scroll down and indicate why you are needing childcare. Please select All That Applies, and you will be asked if you're receiving any public financial assistance, meaning if you're receiving CalWORKS, CalFresh, WIC, or Medi-Cal. If so, please click Yes. Once you're done, please click Save